Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the HP Laserjet P2055 printer driver on your PC or on your laptop. So here, simply use the search bar in your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to search for HP Laserjet P2055 driver. After typing it, you just have to hit enter. Then you will find bunch of different link that basically contains HP Laserjet P2055 printer series. So you can click on any of these links available here in this list. After that, you just have to open the link in a new tab just like so. Now when you see this type of page in front of you, click on the option of choose a different operating system. From the list of the operating system, simply select Windows. From the list of the Windows, you just have to simply select the version. So currently I want to download it for Windows 11, but if you want to download it for Windows 10 or 8, you can select that from this particular list. After doing it, simply click on the option of update. Now simply scroll down a bit and click on the option of driver universal printer driver. So here you will find the drivers links, so you can click on it. You can also click on the option of utility universal printer driver. Then you can download any of these softwares available here. When you click on the option of download, its setup in the zip folder will start to download on your device. You just have to double click on it, extract the files and simply install it on your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.